In this video I'm going to show you how to split a page in half on Canva. So what we need to do is open a new document, after that go to File, and there you will find Settings. Here you will find Show Rulers and Guides. Select that option and now the rulers and guides will be visible. Now the first step is to select with the left mouse button the ruler on the left side and then drag it all the way to the middle of the page. Then center it and you will see the line will be light pink visible. Now after that you have divided the page in half. If you would like to do the same for the vertical length, then go to the top ruler and drag it down all the way to the center of the page. And again the line will be light pink visible. And now you have successfully split a page in half on Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!